Guten Abend, ich heiße Tina. I'll be teaching German time expressions. Start with vocabulary. Zeit is time. So we're going to be talking about time expressions. The vocabulary for time. Die Zeit. For plural, it's die Zeiten. Die Minute oder die Minuten. Minute, minutes. Die Sekunde, die Sekunden, second, seconds. Die Stunde, or die Stunden, is your hour, hours. Stundenlange, 4 hours. Die Uhr, or die Uhren, clock, plural clocks or your watches. 10 Uhr, you're expressing 10 o'clock. And then 10 Uhr is at 10 o'clock. So to ask what time it is, there's a couple of different ways. So you have your Fragen. You would say, wie viel Uhr ist es? What time is it? Or wie spät ist es? You need to know a specific time when something is beginning or ending more specifically. You want to begin your sentence with So wie viel Uhr? This means at what time? Or you could also just ask wann. To answer one of these questions, wie viel Uhr ist es? Es is, it is, and then your time expression. If you want to say when it begins, at. Or you could say, yes, es ist, now it is. There are 2 ways of telling time in the German language. We have colloquial and official. Colloquial is used in your everyday life, everyday speaking. The official is just what it says. For more official public announcements, TV guides, bus, train schedules, things that are more precise. This is also known as our military time, when we count the day from 0 to 24. Noon still is 12 o'clock, but then you would start counting 1 is 13, 2, 14, 3, 15, 4, and so on. Okay. So we can take a look at the clock. There's a clock behind me that is reading Viertel vor 9. So Viertel is quarter, vor is before, 9. It's 15 till 9. Abends, not mittags. Let's take a look at the clock. The example here. So, we find on each side, let's see if we can get that one, you can see it better. To this side is your colloquial. You have the clock in the middle, and then you have your official time on the other side. So our clock here starts with 1 o'clock. The colloquial translates to 1 Uhr, which is 1300 Uhr, or 13 Uhr, 13 o'clock, or 1 o'clock. Next, you'll find that it's you'll find that it's 5 vor 1. 5 vor before 1 o'clock. And the official time that is 13 or 5. So Dreizehn or 5. 1 or 5. Dreizehn. So let's just go down it here. So here we are. The next one, our clock shows 1:15. Viertel is a quarter. Nach, meaning after. Eins, 1. Viertel nach 1, 1:15. Viertel means a quarter. Notice how it's capitalized. Then we come over here to official. Dreizehn or 15. 13 or 15. The next one, 1:20. 20 nach 1. 20 past 1. 13 or 20. Here it is Dreizehn or 20. Our next clock shows 1:25. So here it's interesting because it's going to be based on half. So we have 5 vor halb 2. 5 before half of 2. So we have 5 minutes before it's half of 2 o'clock. Official is translated to Dreizehn or 25. 13:25. Here our clock shows 1:30. In German, they look at this as that this is half till 2. So it's translated to halb 2. Dreizehn or Dreizig. 13:30 or same thing here. Now we have 5 minutes after half of 2. So 5 nach halb 2. 5 after half till 2. And the official time that translates to Dreizehn or 35. Next, our clock shows 20 minutes until 2. 20 vor 2. 20 before 2. Translating to Dreizehn or 40. Und again, Viertel vor 2. 15 before 2. 13:45 is Dreizehn or 45. Here we have 5 until 2 on our clock. 5 vor 2, 5 before 2. 13:55 Dreizehn or 25. On the bottom, 2 o'clock. 2 Uhr. 1400 Uhr. Wir sind Uhr. Okay. Also, in the German language, they have specific parts of the day. And so, if you want to speak about these specific parts, you need to know Heute Morgen is this morning. Gestern Nacht, you have your Nacht in there, so it's last night. Heute Abend is tonight. Morgen früh, tomorrow morning. Gestern Vormittag, there's our Vor before Mittag, middle of the day. Yesterday morning. And then morgen, not mittags, tomorrow afternoon. You have your morgen for tomorrow, not after, Mittag, middle of the day. Okay. More. So morgens in the morning. You could also say vor Mittag, before the middle of the day. It's considered mornings. We have Nachmittags, again, in the afternoon. Abends, in the evening. Nachts, at night. Okay, we can also describe when things are happening on the continuously or repetitively on the same days, just by adding s at the end of the days of our week. So this is Freitags, meaning on Fridays. You could have Montags on Mondays, Dienstags on Tuesdays, and so on and so forth. Montagabends, on Monday evenings. Is going to mean on. So Freitags is on Friday or Fridays. Montagabends is on Monday evenings. So, hope you enjoyed the time expressions lesson. Guten Nacht. Tschüss.